on the cod hunt today. Me and Jay. Say hello, Jay. What are you after today, son?
Yeah, man.
Spin you around. What a lovely day today. Go fishing on the mighty River Mersey. Hopefully we can catch a cod, some whiting, have a little cook up. Oh yeah, lovely bit of bait. I get one rod out, get the other one out, bring it back, we catch a fish. Snaps are set. We got some nice razor clams, gaper clams. What else have we got? Queen cockles, little clams, mackerel, nice clams, bait. Hopefully it does the trick. What? Hopefully we catch a fish or two. Doesn't matter though, we're just out in this lovely day. Not even a breath of wind, man. Is there?
Oh, it's great, isn't it?
We'll put the drone up for you later on, guys, when we get sorted. See you, show you the cathedrals just behind that building, yeah. The water's got to come right up to that green bit there. Pretty high, big tide today. What is it? Nearly an 9 metre?
I think it's just over, I think.
Bit too much for fishing here, like, but just get out. Bit of fresh air. Sort the noggin out. What, mate? Have you? Come on, lad, get your rod in. Messing about, aren't you? No? Messing about. What line? There's a reel in my box, you know. Still not up to nowhere. I think he's got a pecker on his other one now. I think he's got a little whiting. Sorry guys, me phone died, I just had to charge it. What a lovely day, t-shirt with it. Absolutely roasting now. I think spring is absolutely here.
Great, isn't it?
Yeah. What have we got? Double bubble. White and a flounder. Another flounder, it's a dab, isn't it? Just the whiting and a flounder. And another brew. What? Cartwheel from the boot sale. You broke that one before. Well, his line's crap. What have you got, lad? What have you got? I've just had a big massive crab, mate. There we go.
Big sausage.
Big champax.
Yeah.
You want the razor clams? Yeah, they're good size for baits, aren't they? Just let tip off, you know what I mean?
The bear's alright there, yeah?
Yeah, the baby smashed the wardrobe up.
How?
He's pulled off the hinges, lads. He's a nightmare, lad. He's only one. Lad, he's a Asbo already. She just sent me a picture, lad. He's pulled the two wardrobe doors off. Just stopped for a burger and the pints. Wanted £10 for this for the burger, so you know what we're gonna do, don't you? We're gonna cook our own at the Rocket.
Look at them bad boys.
Look at these. Where are they from? Costco? Oh yeah. The size of that, lad. Size of them. Oh, he's got the works, this boy. Lettuce and all that.
Yeah.
You got burger sauce?
Oh, I think it's in the
I'll go and get it.
It's you know.
Beautiful scenery.
Fucking gypsies.
Gypsies. Gypsy cake, eh?
Gypsies.
Rah. What else have we got in here? Buns.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
That's yours, isn't it?
That's fun. Don't know.
Is it?
Only if you had smell-o-vision now. Look at him with spatulas and everything. Mad you lads. Just in a car park having a pint at the Rocket. Oh yeah. Need a bit of burger sauce in a minute, like. Bit of Nando's. What's that one? Sweet and sour. Yeah, we weren't paying a tenner for the burger in there, mate. No chance.
Tenner?
Yeah, that's what they wanted, a tenner. When we had our own in the car. Oh, look. Yeah, happy hunting.
Nando's. Nando's.
Hey, make sure you keep watching, guys, because we're back out tonight shooting. Farmers rang us up, two of the farmers are ringing us up, getting problems with the foxes, with the weather being so cold, taking his chickens. So hopefully we can get a few foxes down. That is going, oh I need sauce don't I? That's going down my pie hole. Now then brown cow, you're going in my pie hole. Look at that. Burger and a pint. We didn't want to pay their prices. So we just bought a pint. Look at that melting away. Look at that. Golden hour. Yeah, they wanted a tenner for a burger in there, man. Tenner. Look at that, bit of rabbit food. Right. Food review coming up.
You.
Wow, outside the rocket. Look at that. Don't pay their prices, mate. You know what I mean?